Hey guys, it's Nick and today I'm gonna be reviewing another Victorinox product. Today it is the Victorinox Spartan. I made a custom lanyard for it with some rope I found laying around the house. Nothing really special. So if you are on a budget and you want a good knife that will last long and do the job, this is it. I've carried this knife for a while and it behaves really good. Takes everything I put him through. It is just awesome. Now, what it features is a large blade, a smaller blade, which I can get out. Okay, a smaller blade. Now, on the large blade, it says, if it focuses, come on, please. Yeah. You see what it is. It is nicely polished. You actually see the camera here. Very sharp. This one is razor sharp. This one is even sharper. Yeah. Other things that it has are, this is a can opener. This side is sharp, kinda. Okay. Okay, yeah, you see the edge right here. And a small screwdriver, flathead, on the top. Okay, my camera just, yeah, you saw it. Okay. Now, the next thing is, oh yes, a bottle opener, very stiff tool. I mean, has a 90-degree stop, I don't know, but it has a wire bender, wire stripper right here, this notch, right under the opening part, right here. And flathead, but bigger than the can opener one. Yeah, I've opened bottles with it. It is great. Then, tweezers and a toothpick combo that every knife has. Corkscrew. And a reamer, which is, yeah, there it is. It's kind of sharp, very pointy. About this knife, it is by length 91 millimeters, by width 26.5 millimeters, height is 15 millimeters. Color is red, as you can see. And actually, it has a hidden compartment right here where I store a pin. Let me just get it out so you can see. Okay, just a small pin. Yep. Now the compartment is right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me just take the pin and show it to you. Right here. My camera will not decide to focus. Here. Yes, you saw it. And actually I can't see well like that, but come on. It holds a pin, so just adding another two to your arsenal right here. This knife is awesome. Now, actually, I'm gonna test the sharpness of the two blades. Here's the bigger one. As you can see, it is really sharp. Steel, stainless. Right here it says on every Victorinox. It says this. Yeah, Victorinox Swiss made stainless. And then there is where is it? Yeah, the other blade, which is even sharper. The lack of space here kind of makes things harder, but yeah, you can see that. Yeah, that time. No. But it is really sharp. And will retain a good edge, for quite a time. And then, of course, you have to sharpen it. Now, this is the box that it comes in. It says Victorinox, just simple box. It says the model and how it looks. And yeah, this Spartan Red 1.3603. Now it has this. So this is a kind of a guide to your knife that you have that says the tools right here, English, German, Russian, French, Spanish, and I don't know what is this language. If you can say, it will be great. So, cap lifter, screwdriver, wire bender, and wire stripper. Then some tips on the can opener. Again, multiple languages. And yeah, just how to take care of the knife. Because, of course, every knife needs to be taken care of in order to work well. Yeah, so this is a very good knife, multi-tool. And if you are on a budget, you should really consider buying it because it will do the job, really. Of course, I would put scissors in it. Because, knife is sharp, but scissors sometimes are better for other stuff. And yeah, that will be about the review. I hope you liked it, and bye.